Hey guys, in this video I am going to show how to make desktop look awesome on Windows 11 operating system. I will also show how to best desktop screen style and customization on Windows 11. So, let's get started. First of all, you just open any of your internet browsing apps that have available on your Windows operating system. Now go to search box and type wallpaperwaifu.com. Press enter when finished typing. You can download live wallpaper of your choice from this website. Since I like gaming live wallpaper, I am selecting games from category. There are many great gaming live wallpapers here. After much searching, I like this live wallpaper. Scroll down to download it. You can see a live wallpaper for desktop. So you click on the download option. Download is starting. Download is complete. Now you again open any internet browsing apps that have available on your Windows operating system. Now go to search box and type Rockstanister. Press enter when finished typing. You can see a bunch of results, so you click Live Wallpaper by Rockstanister website. You can see a download option, so you click on the download option. Download is starting. Download is complete. You can also download these lively wallpaper apps from the Microsoft Store. You can download lively wallpaper apps in either of two ways. Now follow my instructions to install the downloaded lively wallpaper app. Installation completed. Now double-click on Lively Wallpaper app. Then click on the Add Wallpaper option. Now click on the Open option. Select your downloaded live wallpaper. Then click on the OK option. OK, my live wallpaper is ready to display. Our first step is complete. Our second step is screen style and customization. Now you again open any internet browsing apps that have available on your Windows operating system. Now go to search box and type winstep.net. Then click on the products option. You can see a Winstep Nexus option. So you click on the download option. Download is starting. Download is complete. Now follow my instructions to install the downloaded Nexus app. You will see a pop-up tab when the installation is complete. Follow my instructions if you want a screen style and customization your desktop like me. Okay, new live wallpaper and screen style done successfully. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Please comment, I will try to give correct answer. Thanks for watching this video.